Hello friends and welcome. This is Deborah. Thank you so much for joining me today for a little bit of this and a little bit of that video. I hope you're all doing well, and it's really great to have you here with me. You have no idea how good this feels. It's been a while, hasn't it? I'm so thankful for all of you, your love, your kindness, your prayers, and just know you're such a blessing to me. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Alright, first up is this large, gorgeous, high-end basket that I thrifted at the Goodwill for just $3.99, and I'll be giving it a little makeover, mostly to hide some slight imperfections on it and a little bit of damage that you'll see here in the photos. So let me show you what I've done using supplies that I already had on hand to make this basket go from trash to treasure. So the first thing I did was grab a few scraps of my canvas drop cloth from my stash to create this French market patch and another small one that you'll see in a moment. All I did was stencil them and hot glue them to the basket for an instant upgrade and new look. This is the other small patch that I was talking about, which I will be using on the back of the basket along with a bit of moss. But it doesn't stop there. I took a little mini grapevine wreath and I soaked it in hot water for an hour so that it would be more pliable to work with, and then I worked it into the design. I also used one of these little wooden birdie garden stakes from the Dollar Tree to add more character and texture to the basket, and then I cut the stem of it off, painted it in the color burlap, and dry brushed white paint on it, and then glued it into place. And just for fun, I Mod Podged one of my custom labels to the bottom of the basket. Okay friends, here it is all finished. I added a bow to it to the left side to show you all how you could do this if you wanted to gift a basket like this for Mother's Day and fill it with wonderful goodies that your mom would love and enjoy, and perhaps a new robe and slippers, a beautiful plant, or whatever your heart desires. And you can see here that I added a bird's egg to go with the little bird. However, I would have liked to have had 2 tiny eggs, but this egg was all that I had on hand. So at least you guys can get the idea anyway, right? So friends, next time you're out thrifting and you run across a beautiful basket that maybe needs a little love, perhaps you could give it a second thought and take it home, make it your own into something beautiful and one of a kind. Here are some gorgeous antique green transferware plates that I found at the antique gallery, a couple of weeks ago I think it was. And I love the style, the color, the crazing, and even the stains they have on them. The salad plate was damaged, but the saucers are perfect, so I had to get them all. I wish the vendor would have had more pieces, but he didn't. I just love these, and I'm going to show you how I styled them in an open cupboard above my kitchen sink. This is the open cupboard above my sink that you've all seen several times in my videos. I took everything out, cleaned the shelf, then added 2 Mackenzie Childs inspired plates and a pair of small topiaries. I'm going to layer the salad plate with a black Dollar Tree dinner plate in the center of the shelf and to add just a little bit more black. I also layered the green transferware saucers with the Mackenzie Childs inspired salad plates. Then I added some greenery, some candles, and a wooden salvage piece for warmth, and that's it.
Halfway hard, halfway hard. Sing to me if I lose my voice. Set a better route if I lose my course. Count on my company and I will come. Save me when I am falling.
Alright friends, for the last part of this video, I'll be showing you a couple of pillow covers that I've made in the gardening theme, which would make wonderful Mother's Day gifts for moms that love to garden, and they are available, and I only have one of each style. This one is so pretty in the all neutral background with blue and cream toile, blue and cream ticking stripe, the denim pocket, and that darling watering can. There's so many details on this pillow cover with well-placed lace, buttons, and bows. I've added 2 seed packets and a bunny and bird garden stake in the pocket just for fun. And you could tuck in a gift card inside the pocket or anything you know your mom would love.
Forgo, give up everything that I own. Yeah, I'd give it all up now just to be with you somehow. Unexpected love was found. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you. Ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh. So slow, hold you in my arms, won't let.
So now let's take a look at the pillow cover with nothing in it, just so you can see how it looks without any of the other things that I added to it.
We hold each other tight.
This next pillow cover is a little different and all neutral, which makes it great for using with just about any colors that you wanted to. The large pocket at the bottom has 3 compartments for adding anything you'd like to it. This one also has lace, buttons, and bows, and other fun touches to it. And here's the pillow cover with all the things removed that I had placed in the pocket so you can see it a little better. And here's a quick look at both of the pillows side by side so you can see them once again before I close out the video. And if any of you are interested in either one of them, please comment below and we'll go from there. Alright, my friends, thank you so much for spending time with me. I hope you enjoyed the video and got inspired and maybe found some ideas for Mother's Day gifts. I'll be back next week for more decorating, so come back and see me. Until then, take care, you all. Bye-bye, my lovelies.